Let's talk about 28-inch metal table legs, 71 cm black steel hairpin table legs, sturdy 3-rod mid-century modern furniture, industrial style, 10 mm for desk dining table, DIY furniture set of 4. Sturdy DIY constructions with these hairpin legs. Whether you're a woodworking lover or a professional carpenter, these furniture legs will support your hardware project. Whatever size, 28-inch 3-rod black. With a mid-century modern look, these industrial stylish table legs are ideal for desks, benches, cabinets, coffee table, media stand, or any other furniture in between. Strong strength. Each leg is masterfully plug welded. 10 mm cold rolled steel provides great strength and sturdiness. Simple installation. Each leg has a mounting plate with 4 pre-drilled holes, 6 for hassle-free installation. Speedy delivery. Get them within 25 days. You will love these furniture legs and enjoy your DIY work. Need support? Get back to us and we're happy to help you within 24 hours. Place your order in peace of mind. We used the legs on our coffee table, which we made from a whiskey barrel top. We are so pleased with the result, we are making another one. Happy with this? Made a cheap IKEA desktop look really classy. Very sturdy and attractive.